Yo, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. So, I was looking at my comments and somebody was basically asking me, hold on, I'm trying to not get hit right now. Somebody was asking me about like, how do I go about getting clients? Because they were saying like they were struggling to get clients. So, I just wanted to talk about it real quick as I'm walking by, and I'm hoping that this will add value to y'all. If y'all want more, like, you know what I'm saying, day in the life type shit. Hold on, let me not get hit over here. Shit. Got my lawyers ready, got a little lawsuit, now I'm playing. But, so, the comment was just basically saying, like, how do I go about getting clients? And my thing is, I want to start with the fact that y'all not doing enough, right? Let me try to figure out where I'm at right now, though. I think I gotta go down here. Hold on. Oh no, this is going up. I think I gotta keep going. I gotta keep walking. We're gonna figure it out. But my thing is that, you know, people don't be doing enough. And when I say doing enough, I'm talking about, I gotta walk down here, hold on. Okay, hold on. So, when I'm saying like y'all not doing enough, I'm talking about like your reps, right? And a lot of y'all are lazy, right? When we talk about it's not enough, you know, Kendra be saying that, right? But a lot of y'all don't be doing enough reps. And when I'm talking about like not doing enough reps, I'm talking about, look, I know where I'm at now. All right, when I say y'all not doing enough reps, I'm talking about y'all not reaching out to enough people, right? A lot of y'all want to make so much money with like little input, you know? It's a little bit different for me now because I've built up my audience at this point. But if you started from nothing, right? This is the reason why I'm starting this whole mentorship program, where I'm gonna be working with people, credit repair business owners, not credit repair business owners, it don't matter. I'm gonna be working with y'all to basically help y'all understand y'all not doing enough, essentially. So I'm gonna give y'all some practical activities that y'all could do to basically remedy the situation, because I feel like a lot of y'all think y'all doing, maybe you feel like you're not lazy, but your action says otherwise, you know? So what I want y'all to do, hold on, let me figure out where I'm at right now. Let me figure out where the best lighting is. So one thing I want y'all to do is I want y'all to realize that volume is gonna be what negates luck. So when we talk about volume, I'm talking about you doing your reach outs, right? I'm talking about you're not making excuses. You're making 100 offers a day. When we talk about 100 offers a day, some of y'all is like, what do you mean by 100 offers a day, right? But you gotta get your reps in, right? So once you're getting your reps in, that's gonna essentially allow you to know like, okay, it's only a matter of time, you know? So there's no shade to bro that sent me the DM, but bro that sent me the DM, respectfully, I don't know what type of reach outs he's doing. This is where we at, by the way. There's a lot going on and all that. But maybe the lighting's better here. Let me walk around. But respectfully to bro, I don't know how many reach outs he's doing a day. But I want y'all to look at it like, okay, let me look at my situation right now. How many offers did I make today? How many offers did I make yesterday, right? And when we talk about it too, this is why mentorship is important, because I'm gonna talk about this in my one-on-one program. When we talk about outreach, it could be automated, it could be manual too. So I want y'all to focus on both. So number one, what I want y'all to do right now, if let's say you not getting nothing, you don't know nobody, you don't know nothing. The fact of the matter is you do know somebody, right? Look in your phone book right now. Who do you have access to? Y'all keep in mind too, I'm just recovering from this sickness. So I'm still a little bit sick, but you know, I'm trying to get y'all the sauce, get y'all the information. But look at your situation right now. Like, who do you know right now, right? Who's in your phone? Who have you talked to about business? I'm gonna even, let's give y'all the benefit of the doubt. I'm gonna give y'all have a credit repair business, right? Let's say y'all have gotten some people some results. I'm getting out of breath over here. When I'm sick, I damn near feel like I'm out of shape. But, so on my face. But I want y'all to like look right now, like think about who do you know right now? Who do you know right now that you can reach out to? who have you gotten a result for, right? These are the people you want to reach out to when it comes to clients. You can't just say that, oh, I don't know what clients that I need to have, right? When you haven't actually tried to reach out to people. You haven't actually been making 100 offers a day. You haven't been making 50 offers a day. You know what I'm saying? So you want to look at it like that, because the sales and the marketing is going to be what's really the difference maker when it comes to making the shit happen. So I want y'all to just really just look at practical activities of that. And when I'm giving y'all a practical activity, it could literally be like just reaching out to 10 people. And this is why sometimes it's not about more information, but it's about just doing more repetition as far as the reach outs that you're going to do. You know what I'm saying? So that's why with my private program, that's why I'm going to be helping people as far as when I'm working with them, do those private reach outs. And one thing too, the whole reason why I did start the program is because y'all know I got the 10K program. I gotta get a camera person so they can hold my shit. But I don't know if y'all want to see any scenery or anything. I was gonna see if I can get something, but I don't want y'all copying me, so we're not gonna do it on the camera. But anyways, so back to what I was saying. So one of the reasons why we're starting this new program is because with the 10K program, it's cool and everything, and I liked how I did the one-on-one onboarding call with my students. But the thing was, after that, it was like, okay, now what? You know, they got to do everything on their own, go from there. But this being the fact that it's like, you know, more affordable and I'm giving them that extra one-on-one touch, it just makes it like undeniable as far as, you know, the results and everything, right? So I say that to say, that's a nice McLaren. That's why I say. Hold on, let me show y'all real quick. Orange McLaren over there. But I say that to say, y'all gotta realize when it comes to getting clients, a lot of times my arm is tired. But a lot of times y'all not doing enough repetition as you may think you're doing. So I just want y'all to remember volume. So volume when it comes to reaching out, volume when it comes to manual, when it comes to setting up the automations. That's one of the things that we're doing in my one-on-one program. And like I said, I've set up this one-on-one program because I've seen the best client case studies be with my clients that were basically focusing on the funding, and then the ones I had the one-on-one touch with. That's why I'm doing this one-on-one touch with them, you know? So hopefully this was helpful. I don't know if y'all want like vlog style content. You know, they got the McLaren over there. They got Dior, all that. But yeah, the main thing I want y'all to really realize is just repetition, because volume is going to negate the luck, like I said. Because like if you reach out to 1,000 people versus you reach out to 100 people, obviously you know that you're gonna get different results depending on the numbers. If you know, like, okay, I'm gonna reach out to 1,000 people, out of those 1,000, for every 1,000 people I get maybe one client. If you reach out to only 100, you're gonna have to do it 10. It's gonna take 10 days to do it, you know. So just keep that in mind when it comes to, you know, getting more clients. If y'all want like more structure, if y'all want more like systems, you know, then I would say definitely book a call and let's consider getting into the program. You don't have to be a business owner. It's just that helps, because if you have helped people, then I'm gonna know like, okay, you have a little bit of background to get in the program. So just keep that in mind. I'll leave a link below if you want to get tapped in, if you want to book a call, if you want to basically see if it would be a good fit, and we'll go from there. So y'all let me know. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.